Welcome to 662 Penfolds Way. This fantastic 5-bedroom, 3 full bath home with a 2-car garage, covered front porch, as well as LVP flooring and granite countertops inside. It's located in the Windfall subdivision in Blythewood in Northeast Columbia. It's convenient to I-77 and I-20. Northeast Columbia amenities, as well as Fort Jackson, and an easy commute to downtown Columbia. So we're out front. See, the home has a 2-car wide driveway, nicely sized, leading up to the 2-car garage. You have sidewalks on this side of the street in front of the houses as well. And then you have a shallow covered front porch as you enter. Go ahead and take a look inside. So once you step inside the foyer, you'll notice the luxury vinyl plank hardwood wood flooring that is throughout most of the downstairs, with the exception of a guest bedroom and I believe the bathroom down here. So you come into this room. That guest bedroom that we mentioned is just right off the entry, so conveniently located. You have a window looking out to the front. The positioning of this room also works very well for an office or just some extra storage or just a sitting room, as it's right downstairs. You have a closet in here, of course, as well, so definitely can function as a bedroom if needed. And you have a full bathroom that is attached and also accessible from the hall, so you can see the single vanity there with solid surface countertops, and then you also do have a small shower, as you can see in that corner, and you can see that second door, of course, leading into the room. Nice arched hallway or arched entryway going into the living space. Before we get into there, off the entry again, you have the access to the 2-car garage. So you can see it is a pretty nice size. That is a smaller, medium-sized SUV parked in there right now for scale, just to give you an idea of what you'd be able to accommodate. So back inside, you have an open floor plan, main living area with the living room or family room open to the kitchen on the right side. So the living room itself has a ceiling fan as well as a gas log fireplace. A couple nice windows in here, plenty spacious. And then you have, of course, space for a dining room table if you'd like somewhere in the configuration also, as well as bar seating at the kitchen island. Kitchen also has granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. There's a French door refrigerator with bottom drawer freezer, built-in microwave, smooth top electric range, and a dishwasher. Window over the sink looking out towards the back as well. There also is a pantry in there. We'll show you that as we come back in. But right out back, you have a covered back patio with a ceiling fan, which is nice and pretty easy to maintain. Backyard that is privacy fenced, as you can see. And then back inside, of course, on the opposite side of the kitchen here, you do have, as we mentioned, that pantry, double doors, plenty of extra storage in there. And then you have your stairs leading up to the second level. So carpeting starts here, and that continues. That's in the bedrooms up here as well. So off the landing upstairs, you have an attic pull down, some possible storage up there, and 4 bedrooms off of the hall. We'll start to our left here with the primary suite, which you can see is really nice size, can accommodate a king size bed and large furniture. You have a ceiling fan and a couple windows looking out over the backyard. And you also have a full bathroom attached with granite countertops. You have double sinks, as well as a garden tub or a nice soaking tub. You have a shower as well, just separate. Nice linen closet, a walk-in closet at the back end, and that does wrap around sort of an L shape. And last but not least, your private water closet. So you have a nice door that can close that off. And then 3 additional bedrooms up here share a full bathroom off the hall, as well as the laundry room right next to the master. You have a folding table in here, a granite top as well, full-size washer dryer connections, and some nice built-in cabinets above. Bedroom number 2, or excuse me, number 3, as we have the one downstairs as well. And you can see the closet here. Bedroom number 3, excuse me, 4. Trouble counting today. And then bedroom number 5. And this one does have a walk-in closet as well. And then last but not least, your full bathroom up here. You have double sinks and a shower and tub. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 662 Penfolds Way in Blythewood, near Northeast Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.